Plastic pollution has become a major issue all over the world, and more people are interested in learning how to deal with post-consumer plastic waste. For recycling post-consumer plastic waste, the filtration and degassing system of the recycling machine are the critical units for producing high-quality pellets. Repro-Flex Plus is a two-stage recycling machine that can handle all types of post-consumer waste. It has a unique filtration before degassing. Furthermore, it has a third degassing system on the second extruder to remove additional ink and moisture from the materials. Repro-Flex Plus is also extremely compatible with all the third-party filtration systems you can find on the market today. And we have proven that with this integration, the recycling line will be more flexible while handling different kinds of post-consumer waste. You can even upgrade the traditional control panel to a PLC control panel with the HMI. Post-consumer recycling has become increasingly popular around the world. More and more companies are investing in the machine for recycling post-consumer plastic waste. If you want to know more about Repro-Flex Plus, please contact POLYSTAR for more information. If you like this video, please check here for more information. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest update.